There is a verse in the Bible which has been translated into more than 11,000 languages. It tells of one who loved us with an everlasting love. The verse is here recorded in 36 of the important world languages which are understood by three quarters of the earth's population. The verse is John 3rd chapter 16 verse. Africans, Arabic, Afrikaans language, Arabic language, Armenian language, Bengali language, Chinese language, Danish language, Dutch language, English language. I will read. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life. And another Finnish language, French language, German language, Greek language, Gujarati language, Hebrew language, Hindi language. एंड आई पढ़ता हूँ, मैं पढ़ता हूँ, क्योंकि परमेश्वर ने संसार से ऐसा प्रेम रखा कि प्रपन एकलौता पुत्र दे दिया कि जो कोई उस पर विश्वास करो नष्ट ना हो परंतु शाश्वत जीवन पाए. And another Icelandic language, Italian language, Japanese language, Kannada language, Korean language, Malayalam language, Marathi language, Norwegian language, Oriya language, Polish language, Portuguese language, Punjabi language, Russian language, Sinhalese language, Spanish language, Swahili language, Swedish language, Tamil language, Telugu. దేవుడు లోకమును ఎంతో ప్రేమించెను కాగా ఆయన తన అద్వితీయ కుమారునిగా పుట్టిన వాని యందు విశ్వాసముంచు ప్రతి వాడును నశింపక నిత్య జీవము పొందునట్లు ఆయనను అనుగ్రహించెను. ఆమెన్.